If I am to start storytelling in 2026, I'm not going to start creating my own stories from scratch. What I'm going to do basically is this: I'm going to use what is actually gaining ground on YouTube to build my channel very fast and start making money. And what do I actually mean by that? I'm going to hop into trending stories or trending AI movies. Yeah, so what I'm going to do basically is this: I'm going to go to YouTube and search for videos that are actually doing well. Then recreate that exact video and then start getting views for myself. Now, in today's video, what I'm going to teach you is this: the proven and the best way you can actually grow your AI storytelling or your AI movie channel from scratch, from 0 to 1,000 subscribers very fast by recreating viral stories or viral movies on YouTube without getting copyright strike, reused content, or demonetized if you are monetized. So all you need to do is just to stay with me from very start to the end of this story. Subscribe and turn on notifications and like this video and let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this method. And don't forget, at the ending part, I'm going to show you how you can do it perfectly so that you will not get strike or get demonetized or get reused content when you are trying to recreate a viral story on YouTube. Let us dive into the full tutorial video, guys. To start storytelling channel in 2026, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use what is working on storytelling niche to build my channel very fast. So I'm going to open my YouTube app. So when I open my YouTube app, so I'm going to search by tapping on this place. So when I tap on this place, so I'm going to search for folktale stories. So when I search for folktale stories, as you can see, this will definitely come up. So I'm going to filter my search by tapping on these three dots here. So when I tap on these three dots, then I'm going to click on this place that says search filters. Are you seeing it? Good. So once I click on these search filters, then this is going to pop up. So what I'm going to do from here is this: I'm going to tap on this place that says all by tapping here to see the options under all. So when you tap, you see this. So since I'm looking for viral videos, so I'm going to select videos here. So when I select videos, I'm going to come to the second option here that says duration. Then you have to tap here again to see more options. Now when you tap, since you are going for long form video, you are going to select videos that are 3 minutes to 20 minutes upward. So when you click on it, it's selected. Now this is this place that says upload date. This is very important. So since you are looking for videos that is trending currently, so you are going to use a close time range. So when you tap on this place, it is now left for you to select this week or this month. But for me, I'm going to be selecting this month. So when you select this month, now this is the last option that says what? Priorities, that says relevance. So under this relevance, I'm going to tap here. Then I'm going to select this option that says popularity, because I want to see popular or trending videos. So once you select your popularity, then the next thing you need to do is to tap on this place that says apply. So once you tap here that says apply, then can you see? Then YouTube will now start giving you videos that are actually doing well. Now as you can see, this video is 3 weeks ago and this video has gotten 1 million views. Okay, let's check another video. Now look at this video. 3 weeks ago it has gotten 372,000 views. Now look at this video again. Now look at what I'm saying. Someone noticed that this video is actually trending and the person did its own, because okay, it's the same channel that owns the video. So this is part 1 and here is the part 2 of the video. Now this is another video that is trending. Now don't forget we are under folktale and not this kind of story. So you just have to search under folktale to see stories that are actually doing well. So this is another story. 8 days ago, this story has gotten 30,000 views. Now let's assume that this is the story you want to recreate. Let's say this is the story you want to recreate. So all you need to do is just to tap on these 3 dots here. So when you tap on this 3 dots, then you click on this page that says share to copy the link of that particular video. So once you click on share, then you will see this option that says copy URL. So once you tap on it, the link of this video is now copied. Now you have to leave your YouTube app. Then you open your Chrome browser. You can use any browser for this. You can use
normal browser, you can use Phoenix, you can use anything at all. So once you come to this place, what I want to do here is to extract the script of that story that is actually going viral. So I'm going to search for what? YouTube script downloader. So that was actually what I searched for. YouTube script downloader. That is what you should search for. Now, when you search for that, this is the site you need to click on. Like, this is the address of the site. Now, once you are here, you paste the link you copied from YouTube, which is what I pasted here. Then after that, you click on this page that says extract script. So once you click on this page that says extract script, then you have to exercise patience a bit for this site to do the thing for you. Now, as you can see, this is the script of that particular story that is doing well on YouTube. So what you need to do is just to click here to copy the script. So once you've copied the script, as you can see, it is copied. You are good to go. Now, what you need to do now is to go to your AI. You can use ChatGPT and you can use Cloud AI. But me, I love using Cloud. So when you open your Cloud now, this is how your Cloud is going to be. So what you are going to do here is this: be very sincere, be plain, and be truthful with Cloud, so it can actually help you, to perfect the result it's going to be giving you here. Don't forget, the story you are creating is not yours, it belongs to somebody, so you must state it when you are giving Cloud instruction. So I'm going to click here to do my recording on what I want Cloud to do for me. Hello Cloud, I have a story that is actually doing well on YouTube. That story has gotten millions of views on YouTube in short period of time. So what I want you to do is this: I have the story script, so I want you to analyze the story. So when you analyze the story, then create a different 4 dimension from that story, and then ask me to pick the best one I want to use, so I can actually create a full story on my own that will sound different but using the same format of that story. Now, reason I'm doing this is this: I don't want to get reused content, I don't want to get demonetized, and I don't want to get copyright issue if I'm to create or recreate my own story dimension from that particular story that's trending on YouTube. So after you've done this stuff, this is my instruction here. I believe you heard what I told Cloud to do for me. So after you've done that, you have to send it. Now this is my instruction. So just be tailored, real, and sincere when you are doing yours. Now Cloud is going to digest what I said and then ask me to paste the script of that story. Now let's break it down a bit. Look at what Cloud said. I can definitely help you with that, analyzing the trending story structure and pulling out the core element that make it work, then giving you 4 distinct directions to choose from, so what you build is genuinely your own. Now I just need the actual story script to work from. Could you paste it in? Now look at the question here, because I knew this is what Cloud is going to say. You see that? So then after that, look at what it says. Once I have it, here is what I will do. Now Cloud is telling you what it's going to do. Immediately I paste the script of that story. So 1, it says break down the story. 2, generate 4 different dimensions. Now it says each one keeps the winning structure, format, but changes things like the central conflict, character relationships, setting details, or the twist splash reveal. This is best. This is absolutely what I wanted. So with this now, my story will be different and I can never get flagged for doing this. Then after that, look at what you said. You pick one and I will help you build the full original script from there. So here I'm going to paste the script I copied, like the script I generated with Chrome browser. So once you paste this, boom, Cloud AI is going to do what? It's going to analyze and then generate 4 different story dimension and then ask you to pick the one you want to work with. Now as you can see, so the work has started already. So look at what Cloud said here. Here is the breakdown of why this one's hitting. Now it says So this is just the reason that story is actually doing well. Then after that, now this is the 4 dimension I asked this AI to build for me. Now look at what it says here. It says this formula works because it is pure emotionally injustice with a built-in promises of payback. Now here are 4 different dimensions you could build your own original story on using the same skeleton. So then after that, this is just it. Then after this, now is going to ask you to choose the direction you want to go for, which is what you are seeing below. Which direction do you want to run with? Once you pick, tell me the settings, Lagos, Enugu, or elsewhere, and I will start building you full original script in the same format. You see that? So then after that, now all you need to do is just to go through everything and then pick the one you think you should be going for. So I think I love this number 3, though I did not read it, but let me just pick number 3. So here I'm just going to type 3, then I'm going to send. So once you send, then maybe this AI is going to ask you more questions, so it can actually be clear to him on what to do. Do you understand? So let's just exercise patience and see what is going to happen next. Now look at what it said. Great pick. The two mothers has strong word betrayal and redemption potential. Before I build the full story, let me lock a couple of things. Now look at the question is asking me, where should this story be set? Lagos, Enugu, surprise me. So this surprise me, this AI is going to be the one to just pick a particular place for you. Now for you to be on a safer side, you have to check the initial story. If the set of the story is Enugu, then you have to pick Lagos. But here I'm going to pick a random one, so let me go with Lagos, since Lagos is a popular city. Then after that, look at what he said. What kind of ending do you want? Very, very important. Now one is this bittersweet, she rises but loses everything, full redemptions plus reconciliation, then tragic twist, I think triumphant revenge plus justice. Okay, let me pick number 1. So then after this question, let me see if this AI is going to ask me further question like this. Now look at what it says here. Now it's now giving you title ideas to build your own story from. Now look at what it says here. Lagos triumphant justice ending locked in. Here are 10 title options for the two mothers. The first one says, well, the mother who abandoned me came back for my money. 2 says, my mother returned after 20 years to use me again. 3 says, she left me to suffer, then came back begging. 4 says, the mother who sold her daughter's future twice. Then the 5th one says, I built myself from nothing, then my mother showed up. 6th one says, the mother's one daughter they both used. The 7th one says, the day my real mother came back to destroy me again. Then the 8th says what? She threw me away as a child, now she wants my empire. Number 9 says, my mother abandoned me for freedom, returned for my wealth. Then 10 says what? The daughter two women used but never loved. So I think I love this number 10. So I'm going to pick 10, and then I think this AI will now start generating the story from here. So let me see the next place it's going to take me. Now as you can see, are you seeing how I'm being taking this stuff gradually, step 1, step 2, step 3. Believe me, by the time I am able generating, by the time I'm able to generate a full story here, automatically the story is going to be banger, because I have trained my cloud AI on how it should do what, treat any story idea that I'm going to bring here on cloud AI. So I think the story is being generating here. So let's just exercise patience and see how this stuff is going to be. And now don't forget, what I'll be doing basically is this. I'm just going to generate the full script and then show you how to get your images, and that is all. Now as you can see, the story is generated. Now as you can see, this is it, and this is part 1, the girl nobody wanted. Are you seeing it? This is part 2, this is part 3. So the story is just short, but it's fine. So after I've gotten this, what I'm going to do is to copy everything. So I'm going to click on copy, and then copy everything straight down. You see that? So after I've copied this, I'm good to go. So after you've copied now, if you have your master prompt, this is where your master prompt will now come in. Then you open a new chat GPT. Now for you to generate your images, you are going to paste your master prompt. Now let me copy my master prompt and paste, so you will see how master prompt for images actually perform and how easy it can actually make your work to be. Okay, so this is my prompt for my images. So I'm going to send this first and then paste my story script. That is how it's being done. Now got it. This is your African folktale image prompt master what workflow. Now it will ask you to paste your story. Now look at what it says here. So paste your story whenever you are ready, and I will kick off with the step 1. So here I'm going to paste my story. This is my story now. Now you will see what this master prompt will actually do for me. So it's processing. Now can you see? It's analyzing this stuff now. Now the crazy part is this: the master prompt has already chosen a story image style for me already. So my style is what? Photorealistic future. Then after that, everything is ready. Now look at what it says here. Let me know which style you then like, and I will move on to build the character reference sheet. So as this stuff is like this, so I think I have to select the same one that the AI recommended for me. So after I've selected, let me see the next thing is going to do here, guys. Now guys, as you can see, look at what it says: character reference sheet. All these things are actually included on my master prompt. So it's going to it's going to write you a detailed description of each character. Even if the characters has to change their outfit, it will first list it before it will now start generating the same images. So let's just exercise patience and see how this stuff is going to be, guys. Just exercise patience, because this AI is actually doing a massive work for me. Now as you can see in this story, now I have total images of 32. So this AI is going to generate 32 images for me. And now as you can see, the scenes are being broken down. Like, it has listed everything I needed here. Now as you can see, this is the part 3. Here is part 2, and here are the images in part 2. Why these are the images in part 3? Then after that, it will now look at what it says. Is this scene mapped completely? Please confirm. I'll just be like continue. Just type continue. You see that? And then send. Boom. It will now start generating the images for you. So your work here now is just to copy each image prompt, go to Flow and generate your image. You are good to go. Then convert your script to voiceover using Google Studio AI, and boom, you are good to go. Let's just see how that is going to be here. Okay, now so guys, as you can see, finally our prompt is now coming up. Now as you can see, this is prompt 1 of 32. Now this is a full dialogue image now for this. Then this is another prompt. Can you see? Prompt 2 out of 32 images, and here is prompt 3. So this is how this AI will keep doing this until it is done generating the full 32 image prompts that will be needing. So let's see where we are currently. Now as you can see, this is 16. Can you see? This is 16. And once your own has stopped like this, all you need to do is just to come here and then say what? Continue. Just type continue, then it will continue from that 16. You see that it will continue from 16. So it's going to generate your 17 for you. So this is just how to actually do what? Create or recreate a viral story, and it will look like yours without getting copyright issue. So don't forget, if you find this video very helpful, let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you understand? So that's just that about that. Catch you guys on another tutorial video, and bye for now, guys.